YouTube keep asking sign in. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix YouTube TV keeps asking to sign in. So, if YouTube keeps asking you to sign in, this is a common problem, especially if you're using a smart TV, streaming stick, or casting from your phone. The root of it often comes down to the outdated app's browser cache or account mismatches. First, make sure your TV app is fully updated. Outdated version can cause endless login loops. And if you are using a browser, there may be an issue with your cache. Clear your cache and cookies that often resets session data, causing the issue. So if you want to do it in a shortcut way, you just have to click on the buttons in the top right corner, appear like three dots. You will click on it and the delete option will appear there. You just have to click on it and your data will be removed. Double check that you are logged into the correct Google account, like you can access it from your laptop or your TV. You need to double check, especially if you manage multiple accounts on your device. On smart TVs, go to your settings and link your account and relink it using the activation code. It sounds basic, but a clean log solves most of these issues. Also, make sure your device's clock and time zone are accurate. If they are off, Google servers may reject the session token. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the application. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.